Telegram tutorial. How to backup Telegram chat and messages. Well, normally you don't have to backup Telegram chat and messages. They will always be stored in Telegram Cloud. Unlike WhatsApp, where you have to backup manually using your Google Drive or Apple ID, Telegram does not need such an option. Everything will be backed up. If you want to view some of the backup and storage settings, obviously, then you want to tap on the three lines option from the top left, then simply go to the settings option here. And here you can see data and storage, and here you can see data and storage. You can see data usage 1.85 GB and so on. But as for backing up the chats, you can see everything else will be backed up inside the Telegram storage settings. So there's nothing that you have to do. If you log in the same account on another phone without doing anything as well, all the chats, photos and videos will definitely be stored there. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.